If you use Google Translate for 30 minutes, you could make this much money. You can make less or more. But if you don't follow the instructions I'll be giving you in this video, you'll surely make nothing. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Just so you know, this method is completely free. There is no investment required. It is also completely beginner friendly. All you need is your device, a working internet connection, and the breakdown. I'll be showing you how to use Google Translate to actually make money, as well as the top 3 websites that will pay you. Sounds ideal, right? It is. Now, hello and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. The Google Translate tool is this. Please understand that Google Translate will not be paying you. This will be our trade secret for the 3 websites I'll show you and which will pay us. Make sure you remain with us to the end for that really fantastic reveal, since these 3 websites are ranked from lowest to most paying. The wonderful thing about Google Translate is that you can actually click this mic button and speak into the device, and it will translate what you say into whatever language you specify. This tool is quite helpful because you can translate between English and Spanish, as well as between Spanish and hundreds of other languages. We're going to let Google Translate do the work for us, as it will do it all for free, and there are companies who will pay you to translate everything you hear. It simply transcribes everything I said. Just let Google Translate handle whichever service you manually list. Let's start with the websites that will pay us for our services for the time being. The first website, gotranscript.com, isn't the most paying, but it is still highly user-friendly and beginner-friendly. They will pay you 60 cents for every minute of speech or video you give transcription on this website. The best monthly earnings, which is what you're going for, are $250,000. The average monthly profit of this website is $150. While there are higher paying websites like the one I'm about to show you, this one is the one you should start with, especially if you need an extra $1,000 per month. By making the most of your time and completing as many transcription assignments as you can using this tool, you'll be able to maximize your earnings. Simply submit an application for this job, and you may start using gotranscript.com right away. This is the perfect place to start as a side hustle or something that can grow into something bigger. They provide remote transcription jobs that let you work from home while earning money. They pay weekly, which is incredibly convenient to know, especially when compared to a regular 9-to-5 work when you are paid every 2 weeks or even monthly. However, with this, you won't have to worry about your money not coming on time, because it will be transferred into your payable account the next week. You will receive it immediately away. And you may put in as little or as much labor as you choose to go to work. If you have a full day and want to earn money all day using the method I taught you, you can also do this if you have some downtime during the day. Select your assignment, receive excellent direction, develop your skills, maintain activity, and simply take pleasure in these transcription projects. Although this is a great place to start, the following website is even more outstanding. The domain name for this website is gmrtranscription.com. The founder of this site is right here, as you can see by looking at his LinkedIn page, and it now pays better. Our main objective is, as he states, to provide the best level of client satisfaction through precise transcription and translation services. You can interpret anything or just understand the message from the video by visiting careers and clicking on it to get to the next page. Many companies, including large organizations, are looking for transcriptionists. As you can see, this company collaborates with a huge number of companies like McDonald's, Levi's, Dell, and Amazon. You'll be taken to this screen which states Transcribe and Earn when you click on Careers. According to this page, our transcriptionists make between $1,000 and $3,000 per month on average. Therefore, you can theoretically make $3,000 per month from this site with the potential for $4,000 more from the other side for a total of $4,000 per month. You can apply for general transcription or Spanish transcription by clicking here. I'm sure Spanish transcription pays more, so if you speak Spanish, that's fantastic. However, you don't even need to know the language to transcribe in Spanish. You can use Google Translate. Therefore, this is fantastic in every way. We can also see that there are no cost or prerequisites for prior experience for further development. If we continue to the bottom, working from home offers you more flexibility. It's something that many different websites advertise. And you can see that many people are making money and enjoying their transcription work. You can apply right now, and it will be a great way to get started. You can even watch a video of a woman who has made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per month doing this. The best and most reliable online transcribing service, Rev.com, is the last website I would suggest to you. Many other people spend thousands of dollars on transcriptionists, as I am aware of. They were the most expensive according to CBS because of their quick response times and the volume of customers they receive. The website allows you to apply to work as a transcriptionist. According to CBS, many large organizations come here to obtain transcription services. Domestic subs currently cost $1.25 per minute, while overseas subs cost significantly more per minute and may run anywhere between $3 and $7. To see how quickly that may pile up, go all the way down to Careers and click on Freelance Jobs. From there, you can learn how to find work-from-home opportunities with Rev, which allows you to make money by transcribing or captioning videos from any location, including your house. To build a flexible work schedule in light of this, all you need is Google Translate, a computer, or even your phone. Every day, you can choose from hundreds of jobs, work as much as you want, and get paid on a monthly basis. It's amazing that Rev.com awards all completed work via PayPal on a weekly basis. Transcribers make between 30 cents and $1 per minute as stated in the table below. You can pay anything between $1 and $3 per minute to foreign language subtitles. Captioners are paid at a rate of 54 cents to $1 per minute. Scroll to the bottom of the page to see fresh foreign language subtitles. You want to do this since you don't need to be fluent in any other languages. You can see that this is a reasonably trustworthy site to start with if you want to make some additional money because they have been featured in Forbes and Business Insider among other prominent organizations. And you can make a lot of money if Google Translate does the work for you. Now that the strategy has been presented to you, it is up to you to carry it through. So be sure to try out both today's technique and any of our other techniques that we frequently post on our channel. In order to be the first to learn about a lucrative opportunity that could change your life, please like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel with alerts switched on. Thanks for watching The Money Hustle. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the upcoming videos.